Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I will share about why omega-3 is beneficial for our body. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential nutrients that our bodies need to function properly. So they are type of polyunsaturated fat that our bodies cannot produce on their own. So we need to get them from our diet or from supplement like Artic sea. Here are some of the ways that omega-3 fatty acids are beneficial for our bodies. It supports heart health. Omega-3s can help to reduce inflammation and lower triglyceride, both of which are risk factor for heart disease. They can also help to lower blood pressure and improve circulation. It also helpful for boost brain health. Omega-3s are important for brain function and development, and they can help to improve memory and cognitive performance. They may also help to reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease and other cognitive disorder. It promotes joint health. Omega-3s can help to reduce inflammation and pain in the joints, making them beneficial for people with conditions like arthritis. It supports overall well-being. Omega-3s have been shown to have a positive impact on mood and can help reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. They can also improve sleep quality and promote overall feeling of well-being. It is also beneficial for skin and hair health. Omega-3s can help to improve skin elasticity and hydration. It is also reduce the appearance of wrinkles and promoting healthy, glowing skin. They can also improve hair health and reduce the risk of hair loss. Overall, omega-3 fatty acids are very important nutrients for maintaining good health and well-being. Incorporating them into our diet through food like fatty fish, nuts, seeds, or through supplement like Artic sea can provide a wide range of health benefits. Why FLP Artic sea is best? FLP Artic sea is a dietary supplement that is formulated with a unique blend of omega-3 fatty acids including EPA and DHA, as well as olive oil and natural vitamin E. There are several reasons why FLP Artic sea is considered one of the best omega-3 supplement on the market. High quality ingredient. FLP Artic sea uses only the highest quality, purest ingredient to ensure maximum potency and effectiveness. Unique blend of omega-3s. FLP Artic sea contains a unique blend of omega-3 fatty acids that have been shown to provide a wide range of health benefits, including supporting heart health, brain function, and joint health. Sustainably sourced, the omega-3s in FLP Artic sea are sourced from sustainably harvested fish, salmon fish or tuna fish, ensuring that the product is environmentally friendly. It is also easy to take. FLP Artic sea is available in soft gel form, making it easy to take and absorb into the body. It is trusted brand. Forever Living product is a trusted and respected brand in the health and wellness industry, known for its commitment to quality and effectiveness. Overall, FLP Artic sea is an excellent choice for anyone looking to supplement their diet with omega-3 fatty acids. Its unique blend of high-quality ingredients, sustainability, and effectiveness make it a top choice among consumers. So if you want to buy FLP Artic sea, then connect with me on my WhatsApp number 9671323324 or visit first link in description to buy your own. So that's all from today's video. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.